guys, my name is Shauna, and today we are going to be putting together this new pack and play that I received. I'm super excited for this because it has so many different features. First, we've got the instruction manual that I just showed you, and this is the bassinet part that will clip onto the top of the pack and play. This is perfect if you have a newborn or just a little baby. The next part is we are going to assemble the actual pack and play itself. You want to make sure that that centerpiece is pulled up, and then you'll lock those into place. Next, you're going to put the mat down itself. Next step is you're going to put together this changing pad. These clip in right here, and then the clips will lock into the sides of the pack and play. Here you can see what it looks like to have the bassinet and the changing pad in. Both of these lock by the clips going onto the side of the crib. Next, we're going to put on this nice cup holder. This is perfect for traveling or maybe even a campsite. It has 2 cup holders in a couple of different compartments. I absolutely love this, and I don't see many pack and plays come with something like this, so this is definitely an added bonus. This is the bassinet. It has 2 cute dangly toys, a giraffe and an elephant. And then the sides of the bassinet are a mesh material as well. I love that this pack and play comes with this baby changing station as well. This is perfect for my family and I. I can't wait to use this, and I'm excited to be able to take this with me on the go, especially because it has the very nice travel bag and it all compacts back into itself. I'm glad they sent this to me, and I hope you guys enjoy.